This is a quick video to say thank you. A few days ago, I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is just phenomenal. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're getting something from this channel. You guys have been great with giving me lots of feedback and lots of comments. I've tried to reply to every single one of them, and I'll keep this going for as long as possible. Also, you've been suggesting different subjects to cover. These have been added to the list of ever-growing videos, so once I start getting through those, you'll see the videos that you've suggested popping up week by week. If you can think of anything that I haven't covered now, leave a comment below, and I'll try and cover that in a future episode. I'm really passionate about photography. I love getting behind the camera and taking photos, and I want to pass this on to you. Photography is such a great subject with so many different avenues to follow. So I'm trying to teach you as much as I can about photography to make your photography better. I really enjoy making these videos, so I'm not going to stop anytime soon. I'm going to be producing at least one a week, maybe two. I'd also love to see how your photography is progressing. I tend to share my photos on Instagram, so if you're on there, check out my account at BoxheadMike. If you're posting to Instagram, add the hashtag BoxheadMike or tag me in your images. I'd love to see what you guys are creating, and it'd be great. I'd love to see some of the work that you guys have been creating, and also it'd give me the chance to follow some fellow photographers. One thing I'm sick of with Instagram is those big shared accounts. They just kind of share photos. The actual photographer is linked way down, like way down in the comments. So they don't really care about the person who's actually created the photo. So this will be a way of following fellow photographers instead of robots or shared accounts. Anyway, that's enough about Instagram. So back to YouTube. I've got a lot more videos coming out, including more astrophotography tutorials, some photography basics, and hints and tips to make you become a better photographer. Also, over the summer months, I produced the in under a minute videos. These seem to go down really well, so I'm going to start producing a lot more of these. If you haven't seen any of these yet, click on the eye in the corner. This will take you to a playlist of my 5 in under a minute videos. As the weeks and months progress, this list will get longer. So if you're watching this in the future, there'll probably be a lot more than 5 there. One thing that really annoys me about some YouTube videos is how much faffing and waffle people give before they actually get to the subject. My aim is to make these videos as short and succinct as possible. So you get the information, I don't waste your time, and you get what you need to know as quickly as possible. So without trying to waffle on, I'm trying to say that the videos are going to be nice and short. You get the subject matter, that's it. Anyway, as usual, I'll be uploading a video this Thursday, and if I get them filmed in time, next Monday I'll be releasing the in under a minute videos from then onwards. So hopefully I'll be able to give you 2 videos a week. So thanks very much for subscribing. I really appreciate every single one of you. That's the point that I wanted to get across before I started waffling. Now I'm waffling about waffling. As always, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. And for weekly tutorials, hints and tips in photography and videography, subscribe and turn on notifications. Oh yeah, that's it. If you subscribe and you haven't turned on notifications, you won't get notified. So yeah, if you click the bell in that corner down there and turn notifications on, you'll get an email every time I release a video. Then you'll be able to see them as soon as possible and learn something new about photography. That's about it. I'll see you on Thursday.